The KTM Duke series has always been a banner in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts. Its ultimate and fun image is deeply rooted in people's hearts. The new generation KTM 390 Duke is the first comprehensive upgrade since 2017. It not only redesigns the appearance but also replaces it with a new engine and also improves the chassis, shock absorption, electronic control, etc. It also makes significant changes to the issues. Upgrade. It can even be said that the new model has undergone radical changes compared to the old model. The manufacturer even stated that the new 390 Duke has been updated by 90%. Although the new exterior design does not deviate from the general line of the previous generation Duke model, there are many detailed changes that make the 390 Duke feel fresh. The new eyeshadow shape not only completely eliminates the split face but also has richer layers. Daytime running lights surrounding the outer ring of the headlights and changes in the internal structure of the headlights make the entire front face look more beautiful. The new fuel tank side housing area is larger and its shape is more in line with the direction of the body lines. Smooth body proportions with redesigned subframe and rear end give a more combat-like feel. The new steel tube chassis is made of chromolybdenum steel. The structure is completely different from the old model. The subframe abandons the steel tube material of the old model and uses a newly designed cast subframe. The new asymmetric rear swing arm also looks thicker and stronger. It is reported that the new frame is lighter as well as having stronger torsional rigidity and stability. The new 43mm WP Apex inverted front fork supports 5-level compression and preload adjustment and 150mm of travel. Due to the new chassis and new swing arm design, the new WP Apex rear shock has been changed from the previous mid-position to a side-mounted design. Additionally, multi-stage recoil preload adjustment allows for rear-mounted installation. The front 320mm single disc is fitted with bi-bree radial 4-piston calipers, and the rear brake has been upgraded with a 2-piston floating caliper. It is mated to a 240mm single disc and comes with Supermoto ABS and cornering ABS as standard. At the same time, the redesigned 5-spoke wheels are lighter and stronger. It is 4.3 kilograms lighter than the old model's rims, and the tires have also been replaced with Michelin Power 6. The new 5-inch TFT full-color display not only supports music and phone connections, but also supports route planning, navigation, and tour timing functions. At the same time, the new 390 Duke uses the Bosch EMS RBW electronic throttle, so it has multiple riding modes: street, rainy day, track. Other electronic control functions include MTC traction control, corner TC, launch initiation, and even an optional 2-way quickshifter. The new model is equipped with an LC4C single-cylinder water-cooled engine with an actual displacement of 398.7 cubic centimeters, a maximum horsepower of 45 horsepower, 33 kilowatts, /8500 RPM, and a maximum torque of 39 Nm /7000 RPM. Compared to the outgoing model, the displacement has been increased from 373 cubic centimeters to 398.7 cubic centimeters, power has been increased by 1 kilowatt and torque has been increased by 2 Newton meters. Other changes include the exhaust pipe coming out from the right side as well, returning to the undercover design of the first-generation 390 Duke, giving the new model a more integrated look. Some durability has been improved by increasing the fuel tank capacity from 13.4 liters to 15 liters. The official range is approximately 500 kilometers.